Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I will show you really quickly how you can find the location of your files and folders in Google Drive. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's assume you run a Google Drive with a lot of files and folders, but unfortunately there is a file you would like to access and locate inside your folders on Google Drive, but have absolutely no idea how to find it. So this is how you can do it. Let's assume, for example, let me enter that test folder here for demonstration purposes. After that, right click on the file you would like to check and select file information from the drop-down menu. After that, choose details here. And here to the right, you will be given some information or basic information about your file. For example, the file type, the size, the storage use, and also the location, as you can see. And as you can see, that specific file has been saved in that test folder. So this information is pretty accurate. You may also click on the file or folder to get redirected automatically to the given location. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.